Penis and testicle size is incredibly important for most men, and due to social pressure, it's somewhat understandable. Did you know that there are some physiological solutions that can help you increase your penis size, its thickness and volume? Last case scenario, you can also opt for surgical penis enlargement. Here at OnSalus Health, we'll be looking at how to make your penis bigger. Stretch your scrotum and lower penis skin for about 2 to 3 minutes, twice a day. Like much of the skin on your body, genital skin can also stretch a little and make testicles appear larger. Daily multivitamins, which contain amino acids, can also help enlarge genital size. Jynsen stimulates the release of a hormone that increases sperm production, testicle size, and sexual desire. By taking Jynsen daily, you should notice light results after a couple of weeks. Penis enlargement formulas such as Ogoplex, Damiana, and Tongkat Ali increases the prevalence of testosterone or other hormones in the body, thereby increasing genital size. Kegel exercises consist of gently stretching the penis, similar to the action of milking a cow, but with more care. Okay, so first you need to use lube for a safer and less painful experience. Stroke your penis until semi-erect. You need to aim for blood flow through the penis. Grab your penis from the base with your thumb on one side and your index finger on the other. Move your hand up your penis while pressing lightly with slight pressure. Stop before reaching your glands and repeat the process. We recommend doing this exercise every day between 5 and 20 minutes to notice any effect. Kegel exercises will not only help with penis growth, but also improve your erections. Some Kegel exercises for penis growth include holding onto your pee to identify the muscle you need to focus on. This muscle is called the PC muscle and is usually below the testicles. You should contract this muscle for 5 minutes, rest for 2 seconds, and repeat again. Keep contracting and resting. Do this for at least 20 minutes every day. And that's it for our OnSalus Health video on how to make your penis bigger naturally. For any doubts or questions, post them into our comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more.